Have you ever tried to swap out a component part from all the assemblies that use it, only to discover weeks later you missed updating one? Here's a shockingly simple report that QuickBooks kind of forgot to include: a complete where used list for every component and subassembly in your system. Look at this component part. At a glance, you can see that it's used in 64 assemblies. You will never be caught by surprise with hidden dependencies. Whether you're replacing a discontinued part, calculating the impact of a price change, or tracking down quality issues, this report shows you every single place a component is used. Don't risk an inconsistent bill of materials. Let us show you how this works with your actual QuickBooks data. Request your free trial today and see why manufacturers tell us this report alone is worth the investment.